Agweki wagbadani. We had to have more than and listen, you don't have no way, no money. The brother said, leave me alone, please. Leave me alone, please. Wasungu. Person when they go beg. Aga even boy need bad agboa. Everybody tell what give you know there. You wait for choke you, the mad. Next time, you not gonna ever try again. I took go saga on social media. In your saga at your born abi, you go face am. You want the lie? Ogun ogboa. People wey dey there want to begin dey talk now. Wa sun. Wa agbe o. Hello.
Fuck you never baba.
Iyan ye. Where wa ma? Opa. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
They say the boy na up for come. Why you up boy still play? Up we are the kere.
No tele. But man no so. Na ti a pay almost wo. You know where you wrote almost stop.
Okay.
Because me dey tell you, all of one know that. Ogun ye ki awu ki almost. Because they buy, you know, okay, we no be driving here, we no be settle here. Yes, no more settle here, or saga here. That is the only way give me over.
Yes.
You said you don't must stop, you don't trouble stop. Let everything stop.
Okay.
You did not let everything stop.
For where?
Oh, sure, we are my best, my brother.
I beg you, I want to ask you one question, my people. I want to ask you one question. Person where beat person. They say almost don't do 3 live videos since morning. They say almost don't do 3 live videos. Am I right? They say almost don't do 3 live videos since and now you beat person. We are here explaining about if you beat person. Show me that you beat person. Okay, what about we are here explaining about you go explain tire, no evidence. Almost what? You go explain tire, no evidence.
That is the point. Why are you explaining since you beat person?
Since you beat person.
You don't need to explain. We need the video. If you know you are saying the truth, bring the video.
Bring out the video. Why did it like that?
That is the point. But you are lying.
Well, I'm not bad at that. Oh, no, but you are not bad at where we must go. Nobody for this level go talk say in mama no sabi cook soup. And my mate teacher not fail in school. That time what teacher go say I too first. But now you the teacher me okpo yen wa amu school teacher me marry. Wa la jawo teacher mo kin is egbo because me one me kedu we man dey me okpa teacher. We wa amu me ye ko wa. I was did we marry okpa teacher we. Marry okpa. Useless teacher. Talk with they told me Kevin Boni Akawa Bepa you because only Cabere say Arwa on a swag. Arwa on a swag anything. Only Cabere say Arwa on a swag. That one they use that glass. They don't go on. Maria glass is down there and Berry say, well, I am one you were. Oh, that far wow.
We don't want to hear story. We need it.
We need evidence of thank you. We need evidence.
That is it, sir. You will talk this one. Woman, you are. Can't you see? We are drunk or shoot to the pool.
No one was like Badagade. Oh, going out better already. It's a lot of Sagbada. Agbadi Babo. Agbada. Where they are supposed to be. Agbada where they are supposed to be on a straight line.
We don't need that one. Don't lie. Don't lie. They teach you next leg you got today. We are full table. Now singlet can be for a neck. Singlet me. Other than that, I just singlet. You sabi cause you know sabi fight. You know get straight. Because you never fear party. If you fear party, also.
Where's it? Where's it?
You never see anything. The problem is that I collected crap on one show. And you go buy the fish now. This one they collect money, eh?
Imagine.
Collect money. Who give up money will be friends. Who not give up, you know, be friends. That is what they do so. Now,
imagine.
They are separating this boy. Because he don't stop. Juro talk must stop. Let it stop. Let everything stop. Which one you decide one side? You know,
see your agbada wey you wear. Your agbada no your unsu agbon. Imagine they pay almost well. Yeah, what's it? Your agbada no your. Agbada no your. Which see cap? See agbada of 1974. Agbada 1974 no mu gba nu gbe o. Get agbada. See your other cow, see as it dirty. See your other cow, see as it dirty. See your other cow, see as it dirty. Lord me. We my see my agbada. See my agbada. See my agbada.
And I'm going to abide to what she wants.
You see how?
So we're going to go. If I say S, you say S.
Now I'm on with TikTok. I'm feel we better. I'm going to feel we are no be ye. Person where you beat never come talk till now. You where say you beat person, you don't do 4 live video this morning. No, I'm only one way. A cinema runners when no map for short. Once again, thank you for the gift. God bless you. Old fashioned agbada. When you have the agbada again, they say no sleep. Agbada me oui, me mana me agbada ni me meti le lafi. E no gi wagbe won, e no gi do atama we. Ni na agbada wo, they come beg for the coffee wall the agbada from that guy. Go give a muzzle. Ibatan ya, we no be batan already. No ya yi ni party no, they one of your don't ma ban without ban yiki. Please oh, public general announcement. Yesterday they beat on us or gbe wa ri ati wa gbe wa. I don't know why they do like this. Una way they wanna go hold am. Wanna go hold that guy. Big Nova, thank you so much. Wanna go hold am. Why gi gbe wa ri. But God will bless that of yes and man. Please, if you know say you did there, I still need more information. Because yesterday it happened, not be old one. I still need more information so I can come and tell my people, say yes, see the latest update. I need more information. If anybody did there, where be say me yes, apart from the ones where they don't want me to play their audio for life, if you still go on fake accounts, cut it talker to Tamari. Now, okay, see my help. Somebody see my help. Somebody see me help, huh? Gabby, I don't help you, but you are not coming up. If you did there, no lie, I told you, man. Up, can I press it do? What be can I press it do? Me say yeah now. Can I press it do? Say yeah, may I help you? Me and I, I did there. Oh. Mommy Lisa, you did there. Can you come up? Baby face. You, baby face. I can't tell you say I want to give 500 euro. You know patient. Make I suffer, ask me for my jurisdiction, here the money. You go the saga me for your platform. You know I not marry you because my brother for one side. For another person, I for to deal with you. But I don't want to add to your stress. That's why I just leave you. You can't talk to me anyhow. I'm not your mate, age-wise. I'm not your mate. But not be your matter really carry me come here. Because if not your matter, I know come TikTok. I get where I'll carry your matter go. But you did problem. I don't want to add to them. You understand? I don't want to add to your problem. I see the video you do. But you say I marry you. I don't marry you. Because you did stress. I wish maybe you be normal person wait there outside. I for deal with you. And I for know where I for personally carry your matter go. But I still a pity for you. Because you're not patient. Make us if you go ask people from my region here. Say see one person in need our help. Me you tell you say 500 euro for you. Me you say the money that they there with me. You are there. I'm a family man of 5. And they talk to me anyhow. I bet if you know say you did there, come up. If you know say you did there, come up, Jerry. If you know that you are here, come up. No, I'm gonna leave baby face. He got the problem. That's one more reason why I just look at him. He's a younger brother. Forget say we my brother. He's a age. My younger brother, my younger one. I'm a jobless man. So if you did there, not lie. If you lie, I go not say the lie. I love people that say the truth. The one when I know about them, now I can talk so. So that one are for Omozo. Me know they talk about Omozo without I not get any latest update to take on beat am. That is me for you. Chris. Wabwa. Now, who again? Who say they talk to me this morning? Who? Yeah, I see if they water. We'll get live video later. Who now say they talk to me this morning? Kenyan, I want Mama Igbere. Iyore, they talk to me. This commenter said they will still beat me. Me say me they not beat me. As I they go party, they sure they not they beat me. Me for like me experience this almost one day. I know all the party I don't go, they not they beat me. All the party that I have attended, they have never dealt with me. They never beat me like Omozo. They never beat me like Omozo. Iyore, I saga you day before yesterday. You can't reply me today, Abi. I know where to reply you. Not be the day when you talk to me, I come message you.
Go inside.
You are my kids.
Give me the name.
Iyore, you are my kid sister. Okay, they jealous of me, so I don't feel reply you that today not make sense until the day when you not go stay expect me to view born. Now, you already see me return 500,000. He get 500,000 now. He still did salt and water ministry. Hey, he a prick. God bless you now. Man, leave Iyore. Iyore, mami agbore. Iyore wa si Iyore ayi. Yeah, Africa, I say go the back to Polo Moki. If you like, go back to Polo Moki. Go see Sagayu. I like my comment section. If that's what they select the couple for year. All these are comment section. Now God will bless all of you now. What all the real good and bad comments? Because all these conversation, una be wise set of people. In a prick, come here. The best where you go swear. The police where you carry me go. In a prick. They say your mama the quarrel. You know ask question why your mama can quarrel. Your mama say you be troublesome charge. You say that make it come over for your body. You say you will put her for problem. Your mama they sick now. You say no that na the swear we go swear for my enemy. Now they are put to her. See the way the swear they work for your body. You wanted to hijack what Apollo Moki have started. All of them go dead bondage forever. For as many of you that left this place to the other side, they located.
I don't ever I shock you. You say it to bring something for me. May I take blow come for you.
Eh?
Yeah, mama.
No a person do the Igbesu.
Bring something for me, may I blow and come for you.
No a person do the Igbesu. How I want any Igbesu? Azua. Abola Egbe. How I want any Igbesu? No a person arrange that juju shire. Eh? Nonsense set of people. If una not, if una still say wait una come for not work, it's either una call it toast me. If una still say una toast me say maybe I not reply una come with her. It no is a bad person. If me na bad person, people for the wrong. Nobody for the watch me again. Ever done agbogbe ewukin in a preach. Who were here soon when nobody want to say. When you be my PA, should be people they buy from you. Una mu get colisi, no mami agbori. Colis, una mu get no go award that. When you review, ever the way they do saga. When you review Plaza and they see you, you say they'll catch me, they'll beat me. For you, when me buy fish for fish bar. Abi, Plaza, that my fish right back for you, huh? Or ya boo when ya. That my fish go cause bad thing for your body. Plaza, was setting up to go you get squad. Agbo, ya era ni ha. Era kuri. Ezeki den ya era gimoto. Or to not be working. I get breadwinner for abroad, not church to gay. Auto you can read, auto give me a only say I po by our way. Piazza, Memwa, Yamu, Beladia, Yaka, to Nore, a genuine Guagua. Umalave, one baby. Well, if my father is at the end of the day, now we need a small starting there. Ah, a small starting there, the dead one young boy. Oh, Boagmo Piazza, over docking. The bed of no man will be fishing. How much is fish? 25 euro, Mamma today. Well, have your fish by all that cherry? Who when the metal pay bad when we act my fish by the barafo? Oh, go ahead, go. Oh, how less way. Must say no, you now me gog you. Happy as a more gog you are. Ya know where to your to talk way to joke. A joke, make a joke. Oh, go ahead, Bera. Era, make a joke. Era, Sungu. Piazza. If I see you again for fish bar, tell me may I buy you fish. Tell me again, say, let me buy you fish. 1 million away, Piazza. You know, my friend. You don't still my brother. You are a personator. Dirty personator. That day, they carry you go one corner. He say, say, nah, you be a Yelala member. Say, we know here where. I say, yeah. I just say you be. He said, no, he say, Ayelala. He said, the lala way, they may not put ear down. I say, may not put ear down. Okay, mais here I say, he can't do I can't see back. They say, okay, he don't agree to this, he not be anything. Go very meal. Well, yeah, one meal, who are what one, on your problem, he go very fair near yet. I don't buy fish for you 3 times for 25 euro, that's 75. Because they pity for you. If you come, your Timberland where people go see, you like to get Timberland. A Timberland the way you banokwa. Your shirt dirty, you don't always they come there looking tattered. And I go they pity for you. No worry. Even in time away because who see the real nonsense and don't say you be better person. Now so they be a must where I want before they come bitter yesterday. You see people who know the talk. People like us. My God. They don't burn anybody to see me hold me for party. They don't burn that person. They don't burn that person. I don't believe in squad though. I believe in myself. You see me for party. You hold me. I get squad for women. I get for me. You get a party will go for my daughter party. One boy be one the act. See where Bado was there now. If I lie, I'm gonna ask you where Bado. See where Bado next to the wrong etara. All women begin to use their cocoa shoe. Not let women gather you. And my party they talk to come. What I brother see that way. For my daughter party that day. My daughter even part of boss bottle. They mad. Women for this Germany, oh yeah, how they use me play. I am their father. I am the father to single mothers. I am the father to single mothers. I am the father to less privilege. I have helped a lot of people in my platform. Am I lying? Or I'm a jobless man? I'm a what? I'm a jobless man. But I'm okay. If I Yuri say the bleach, may you help me go write to Yuri.
You not get free to speak bleach.
Yuri say me the bleach. We go make a message in Yuri.
You not get free to speak bleach.
If Yuri saga, you wait the write that is so. You go you let me do saga. Where they give today, they never pay you. You not get when they pay you. You get franchise, Baba. That cannot presido. You sure? You sure? Now come up, come lie. Come up now. Don't tell what I if I waka again. Who's can waka me down?
No, it's not your pick.
What's that man?
Go back. Now let's say with you. I'm going to push you. No issue.
Don't know when you may go waka again.
We're not going
Eh? Because I said that boy, brother, we did London, don't they do it? Are you only for me? Are you a lady? You can't get any. Not for no. If you be boy, I'll go up and I'll go Havana. Wagwaleri. Now let girl go tell me, say, stand up. Ikbagbe, not be fellow girl like me. Oh my God, no sir, King no sir, ya wa yi kwaku. Me have yo, what the moment wa, Netherlands no. Okay, as a brother the waka, I will not give a view. If you already talk my word, you go get 2,000 views. If they do society where Jesus, oh 1,000. I like we get on 1,500. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to our Nyash competition before we go to late Jennifer's matter. Story. Before we go our dancing competition, I'm not verse. Adora, yesterday you called tell us say no, if you forgive Jennifer, say what did Jennifer do you too much? Abi? Adora, wait to I want to play something for you. You say what did Jennifer do? You know, I take me come this evening, but I want to just play something for you before that time, right? Understand? And then, okay, now this one I take connect with. I want to play something for you. Adora. You say you know if you forgive Jennifer. Abi? Somebody they come a live video today, oh. He say what you do, and he say now make the go put live for your head, oh. I want to play the voice note.
It's not nice. You know what you did is wrong. It's wrong. You know. Now she came to the world now, telling people that this apple. But you that you offended, you said silent. You said no need. There's something like no need, because now she said she cannot forgive Jennifer because what Jennifer did to her. But now the lady now don't. She has forgotten that she also wronged someone. There is so much she broke. There is so much she has to pay 8,000 euros.
They say you put person for 8,000 euro debt. They say never takes money and they pull that for your head, Adora. So this evening, 6 p.m. go out. 6 p.m. go out because the girl where you put problem for your head. Say in the can't talk, tell the word. What you still doing? I say me I just will talk that one first. Before we continue, go here Adora in the fucking chat. The Panyash. All right, let's go for the Nyash competition. Oniribiari, if you know you want to dance, come up. If you know you want to dance, come up. Where are the dancers? Hello. Me enogi. Come, me brother. Me no sell alone. Me no sell alone. Well, me Nigeria. Where me I dey. Where are you? If you want to dance, come up, oh, come up. Where are the dancers? Where are they? Where are they? Where are the dancers? Where are they?
Okay. You promise us restaurants, so you say you carry us go restaurants.
Where money dey?
No, you talk as this now.
Where e dey?
When you knew, because you carry us go restaurants. And a joke.
Me that be no there. Me only want to be so again.
We talk on this morning now.
Me. Hello, ecstasy. Come my live stream now. Call your squad. Come make the call dance.
You carry us go.
Hey, unless you want to reach us. Okay. Okay now. Okay.
Yeah, you talk about because they made the dress. They say you carry us go restaurants. That Italian restaurants.
Hey.
You talk about today now. Say you carry us go. You know.
Me Daniel ni.
I'm not drinking.
Woman, we are me make a pack on. I'll be here with us on the dress. Then we'll go. Make back on there. Me, and you know. What are you doing?
I be the dog go school. Let me and you go tomorrow.
We'll come plan now with my idea. Okay.
I'll see you down with the dog go school. My back.
We might give me a money. We'll be around 11 we'll You want to dance? All right. Let's give them a try. No be bad.
I see they put up for suspect. Last week, you all come for outside. Next thing, the children we are going out. After those ones don't dress, they cry. Make you not carry them go out. If you know they talk that thing, not good. Hey, that's you know they do.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not going now. More put the dancing for evening because